Here I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen, find and select the settings. Here you have to find the Do Not Disturb. You can find this option under System and Device, choose Do Not Disturb, and you can switch on Do Not Disturb right now by using the switcher. So calls and notifications that arrive while Do Not Disturb mode is activated will be silenced. You can repeat Do Not Disturb mode on the exact time if you would like to. You can set this time right here. You can make some exceptions, for example, from your favorite contacts. You can also choose the sounds right here. And you may handle with repeat colors. If you would like to disable Do Not Disturb mode, let's use the same switcher. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.